Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Добро пожаловать and labdien. I'm Alla, the host of the show. Today I want to show you how to make the most amazing fried cabbage piroshki. Oh my god, they are so amazing. If you like fried things and you like crispy things and you like cabbage, this cabbage tomato filling is absolutely amazing. And I love these piroshki because they're super quick to make and you fry them. They're a bit naughty, but they're so delicious and definitely worth the effort. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Now let's get started. To get access to all my recipes, you can find the link just under the video and you can become a member today and have all my video recipes. Accessible to you anywhere in the world. First thing we're gonna do is cut our cabbage. You want to get rid of your core. And now you can either do this by hand, finely chop, or use your food processor. Cut your onion nice and fine. Add your onion. Add your cabbage. Add tomato puree, bay leaf, and all your seasoning. Give it a good mix and we're going to cook that for 10 minutes. Add a little bit of water. Into your jug add lukewarm milk. And make sure it's not hot or cold. Then add half of your sugar mixture, mix everything through. And then add your dry yeast. You can use instant yeast or dry yeast, whichever yeast you have at home, mix it through. And we're going to leave it aside to activate. Once your yeast has activated, you want to add your eggs, sour cream, and melted cold butter. Make sure it's unsalted. Mix everything through. Now over here I've got my flour and the remaining sugar and a little bit of salt. I'm just gonna start mixing it with a dough hook in my attachment and slowly adding my wet mixture. Don't forget to use your spatula and go around the sides as the flour usually gets stuck there. Keep mixing as you add your wet mixture. By the way, guys, I'm making a double portion here, so you don't need to make this many. It makes a lot. So I'm going to give you half of the ingredients for this recipe. So keep adding your flour a little bit at a time until your mixture is all incorporated. The dough will be very soft and sticky, just like this. Use oiled hands or wet hands or floured hands to get rid of your dough from your hook, and then add a little bit of flour onto your counter, and you want to knead your dough by hand a couple of more times. Keep adding lots of flour as you roll it out, as the dough is still sticky, so it will need more. Don't over add the flour though, as the dough will become very starchy. Once the dough is nice and folded a couple of times, as I said, it will still be sticky. Don't worry about it. You will need to leave it to prove. So add a little bit of oil into your bowl and add your dough. You're going to add cling film over the bowl to make sure that the yeast can raise, and leave it in a really nice warm place. Once you made your dough, I'm just going to show you how fluffy it is. You just want to break it down, and then it's so soft, so stretchy, and absolutely amazing. You want to cut your dough into little pieces, and if you like to measure them up, just do that with a scale and gently roll out a nice circle. I like to add a lot of fillings, so I'm adding about 1.5 tablespoons of my cabbage mixture inside, and it just tastes so amazing. And what you want to do, you want to roll out all the piroshki and make sure they're stacked up. I like to fry them straight away, so add a lot of oil into your pan. It is always better to add more oil so that they fry a bit faster, and that way piroshki will take in as much oil as they need to. If you don't put enough oil, they might burn or stick to the pan. And once they're fried, we will dry them out on a paper towel to get rid of any excess oil. Once they're cooled down, I'm just going to cut one inside and show you how amazing it is. The dough is really crispy on the outside, very soft in the middle, and you have a lot of cabbage filling. They're my favorite. They really remind me of my childhood, and I really hope you try and make these.